August 1969, Woodstock, 3 days of peace and love. An estimated audience of over 400,000 people gather for 3 days of music at Bethel, New York, swarming across the pastures of Max Yasgur's dairy farm. The festival is the brainchild of 4 men under age 26, including one with a multi-million-dollar trust fund. Only 186,000 tickets are sold, so around 200,000 people are expected. But the amazing lineup of bands and musicians draws many more. Fences are pushed over and tickets become pointless. The opening night, sponsors declare free admission to all, and the word spreads like wildfire. Police estimate 1 million or more people trying to reach Woodstock are stuck in traffic jams up to 50 miles away. In rain and mud, thousands listen to Janis Joplin, The Who, Canned Heat, Grateful Dead, Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young, Country Joe and the Fish, and Richie Havens. On the last morning, guitarist Jimi Hendrix wakes the crowd with a riveting solo version of America's national anthem. The final cost is $2 million. A film and concert is released the following year.